Section F, problem 3. Here we will first extrude these two hexagons and then make this fillet and cut these three contours using revolve cut. So let's start. Top plane, select polygon of 6 sides. This is 4, and to constrain it, select one edge and make horizontal. Now go to extrude. This extrusion, it is given 4, but we also have to consider this fillet because this extrusion would be up to this edge. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Make this 5 mm. Now sketch here another polygon. This is 6. To constrain it, make one edge horizontal. Again extrude. This would be 17 minus 5 because total is 17. This is done. Now we can add the fillets of 1 mm. Select one edge, and from here you can select the complete loop of 5 edges. Enter. Now we will sketch on this front plane the contours that we need to revolve cut. So it would be a triangle here. This distance is given 1, and this angle would be 45. Another triangle. This is given 0.5, and again the angle is 45. Now finally this is 4.5. It's constrained. Everything is constrained. Now to revolve cut we need a center line. Now select everything by pressing Ctrl A. Go to features, revolve cut. It will automatically take all the contours and the axes because you selected before going to the revolve cut. Okay, the part is complete. Now we can add the material. This is stainless steel ferritic. Here, apply. Let's check the mass. 3.33 and 3.33. So the answer is correct. Next part in the next video. Thank you.